My name is Varaprasad. I am working as a business development manager at College Dunia. So, could you please give a brief introduction about yourself?
My name is Dr. Hari Narayanan,
Okay.
and I am the director of SCRT College, Shanganur.
SCRT College.
Yeah, the college was established in 1998,
Okay.
and at present we have a base of present we have a student capacity of around 600 students here,
Okay.
and we are offering a lot of degree courses and PG courses from various universities such as MG University, Annamalai University,
Okay.
Bharatiyar University, Madras University, etc.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, my first question is, being the director, what is your philosophy of leadership, sir? How would you describe your leadership style?
Basically, in my organization, I treat my team as a family.
Okay, sir.
And we are not having any such strict measures here. Everyone in my team, they are treated equally, and they are part of my family.
Okay.
That's my philosophy.
Okay, sir. Sir, have you held any key positions at different education institutions throughout your professional career? And what are the key factors that keep you connected to the education sector, sir?
No. Initially, I was working with a housing finance company. That is way back in 1994.
Okay.
And I worked with a housing finance company that's in Kozhikode. That's also in Kerala.
Okay.
For 5 years, and later in 1998, I started this college.
So, what are the key factors, sir, that keep you connected to the education sector?
Really, I'm having an educational background because my father was also a teacher.
Okay.
He was the retired principal in government higher secondary school, Shanganur.
Okay.
So our family is always connected to education.
Okay, sir. That's great. Sir, how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
See, basically, the curriculum is always set by the university.
Okay, sir.
University and other affiliated bodies. But we ensure that our...
Sir, you're not audible.
Yeah. Hello?
Yeah. Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, as I told you, the curriculum is set by the university. And apart from the curriculum, we are offering add-on courses along with all our degree and PG programs, which ensures their job prospects.
Okay, sir. Sir, what do you see college's greatest strength, sir?
In these days, the college should engage the students and impart job-oriented skill training, apart from the syllabus and other papers. Okay. That's the need of the hour.
Okay, sir. So what would you like people to know about your college that they may not know?
We are a well-known institution in Central Travancore.
Okay.
And we are offering various courses such as job-oriented courses such as even mobile phone technology training, and optical fiber technology. And we are having tie-ups with the NSDC, that is National Skill Development Council. And we are offering courses from them also, just to impart the skill training.
Oh, so that's great, sir. Sir, how do you establish a healthy environment in your college, sir?
Basically, ours is a closed campus. And we ensure close interaction with the students and the teachers, and we promote close interaction with the students and teachers. And apart from that, we are providing them the facility of placements also. We usually try to get the placement for all the successful candidates, and we are doing reasonably good with that.
Yes, sir. Sir, what do you think the college's top priority over the next 10 years?
Basically, we are looking for diversification, because we should change over to job-oriented skill training, and we had started the process.
Okay.
So we are imparting skill training along with the usual regular degree and PG programs.
Okay, sir. Sir, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for the marketing and administration of your college?
Usually we don't indulge in too many marketing activities. Basically, we will give advertisements in the local newspapers and some social media also.
Okay.
That's the only marketing activity usually we do.
Yeah, okay, sir. Sir, any insight into how your college could be more welcoming to the students of different races or different economic backgrounds?
We are already doing that.
Okay.
We are even offering free programs for the economically backward students under the parentship of NSDC.
Okay. Sir, I mean, sir, the curriculum structure is very different in India and other foreign countries. Sir, in your experience, what a student can learn from your college so that will help the student in future?
Basically, as I told you, we are trying to train them in various job skills that will ensure their job in the future.
Yeah. So, sir, any suggestion would you like to give to the current youth or the aspiring students of India?
Just to focus on skill-oriented training.
Focus on skill-oriented.
The industry needs skilled people, not just graduates and postgraduates. So all curriculum, even if it is a degree course, a PG course, or whatever, it should focus more on the skill enhancement.
Yes, sir. Sir, I mean, so when you first came to this college, what was your vision for the college, sir?
To become one of the top colleges in Central Travancore, that is Southern Kerala.
Oh.
And we have already reached that level.
Okay. I mean, what are some plans that you are currently or you will be designing for the college, for the students also? What are your plans for
present? This year the admission is not so good because of the COVID situation and all.
Yes, sir.
But next year we will be introducing certain programs, and I am looking for certain types with foreign universities also, which I am already in the talks. So I will be introducing certain degree and PG courses and other skill courses, even something like artificial intelligence and something like that from foreign universities also. And I am planning to integrate these courses along with our usual curriculum, and we will be going for a dual certification program.
Okay, sir. So thank you very much for your time, sir. I mean, it's a pleasure talking to you. Thank you, sir.